Hello, my name is Alexey. In previous video tutorial, we create responsive multi-language online store from scratch and upload it to the hosting. In my blog, there are free video lessons about different objects for website X5. In this video tutorial, we will look at new version of program 2022.3. I will compare this version with the previous one, 2022.2. Let's start with two new settings that can increase site speed. Let's go to SEO, and we have new option Convert images in WebP format. Now it's possible to automatically convert all images to WebP format. It can reduce the size of image and keep their quality, but it's only available in the Pro version of program. With second option, you can manually enable lazy loading for image objects. This will help speed up site and reduce the amount of data that users download. You just need to check Necessary object, click Effect and enable this option. Enable lazy loading. You need to do this with all objects that you want to lazy load. Let's look at other changes in the program. For example, hiding products. This option is only available in Pro version of program. We can go to Shopping cart, and here we can see new button. If necessary, you can leave the product in the program, but hide it from the site. For example, if item is out of stock. Let's see the preview. Here is my test online store. We can see my products, but now I will make this product unhidden, and now we can see it on the page. Here it is. Now you can see the images directly with editing layout. For example, we can see preview, and we can see this image. So this simplifies the work process. Also, there is some sort of filter. We can filter objects by category, or we can switch to full list. In Object Manager, we have several new tools. Here we can refresh this data, open file location, or see file properties. There are also several other changes in the program. For example, SVG support, Web Animator 4 integration, PHP 8.1 compatibility, and other. In next video, we will talk about other useful objects and settings that will help you to work with the program. If you have any question, you can ask them in the comments. I will try to answer as quick as possible. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel.